Hello everyone, my name is Nurida Safa and I am from University of Islam Mulia Yogyakarta. So, in this video, I will share about my knowledge in this particular subject of mine, and that is literacy. The title of this video will be The Role of Local Community in Literacy Programs in Supporting SDG number 9, and that is Innovation, Infrastructure, and Industry. Before we jump into that, I want to ask you first, is there any of you that already have heard this acronym before, SDG? I think a lot of us have already heard that, right? SDG is an acronym to Sustainable Development Goals, and that is a set of 17 points that are adopted by United Nations in 2015. And what is that exactly? It is a universal call to ensure that all of the people in this planet live a proper and healthy life before 2030. So, in the previous papers, I have already talked about this SDG, but only the fourth point, fifth point, 10 point, 11 point, and 17 point. And in this video, I will talk about the ninth point or the point 9, and that is infrastructure, innovation, and industry. I will specifically talk about this region in West Java, and that is called Karawang. So, have you already heard that name before? Karawang is known for its industrial region. It is a fast and big across of the Indonesian, in all of the Indonesian, big industrial sector. So, from that famous title, from that famous existence, comes a bunch of questions and wondering from people, what about the literacy in there? What about the literacy people from there? So ironically, um, the literacy in Karawang is still far from good. But we can prove that wrong. We can make that not happen again by supporting local communities in making literacy programs happen in Karawang. What are the programs is we can start by the first three programs. The first is mobile digital library or mobile library. The second is library X cafe, and the third is reading spots in public places. Okay, we will talk about the first. The first is mobile library, or in Indonesia we known as perpustakaan keliling. Yeah, perpustakaan keliling is important for us to make sure that these programs are also making people access easily in digital. So by making that happen, we can make sure that a lot of people enjoy the programs. We can also benefit from the collaboration of government. The second is library and cafe. This is very interesting. This is very important because the Gen Z of us is really likes to spend a lot of time in library in cafe, right? So due to that fact, we can also benefit from that. We can also take that as an opportunity to make this program success. Yeah, we can put a reading spot in certain cafe. It also can attract more visitors for the cafe. So it's really a win-win solution for both of the cafe and for the local community that held the programs. And the third is, what is it again? Oh, reading spot in public places. Yeah. So what public places are? We can mention the hospital, the station, the airport, the park, or any other public places. This is also interesting and important and vital because, yeah, as we already know, the public places is a place that will have a bunch of people, right? So by making a reading spot in certain areas of the public places, we can also enhance the literacy of people. Yeah. So, oh yeah, and also above all of that, before all of that, we can also make sure we also have to make sure that the programs is uh, also have the inclusivity concept from it in it. And what is an inclusivity? In simple ways, inclusivity is a trying of people that that also include the various people from different races, different groups, and different other region. Yeah, so the inclusivity is really important in these programs. Okay, so everyone, that is all from me. I thank you all for uh, already listening to this video. Sorry for the inconvenience or if there are any mistakes. So see you next time.